Three good things about the budget is increase in outlay on infrastructure by 30%. Fiscal deficit is kept down. Current year also it is according to the budget. Second is future, the predicted for 23-24 is 5.9%, which is on the right direction. Third is the income tax uh, changes in budget and giving a relief to wage earners, normal salary paid, it is a good thing. And regarding pensioners also, it is a good thing. But we expected something more, what we call, in the budget, so that in the current economic scenario, global recession is there, something big bang reform is not missing. That is one thing. Otherwise, it is a overall balanced budget.